Poppy a kiss now?
Oh, that's so funny.
Georgia, who's you gonna kiss? Vivi? Oh, that's so nice.
Kisses are so proper.
Georgia, is it Poppy's turn?
Give Vivi a kiss. Give Vivi a kiss. Can you give Vivi a kiss? Give Vivi a kiss. Oh, I missed that. Oh, that was perfect. Okay, give Vivi another kiss.
We have to video this
Give
eventually.
Vivi another kiss.
Oh.
She like ate her notes.
Georgia, do you have a kiss for Poppy? Where's Poppy's kiss?
That's so cute.
More kisses. Give Vivi another kiss.
Do you like Aunt Molly's pretty bracelet, Georgia? Look. That's from Poppy. Poppy gave Aunt Molly that.
Georgia, do you have any more kisses?
Butterfly, Vivi.
Do you have one more kiss for Vivi?
Butterfly.
One more kiss for Vivi?